please do spare a moment to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to get notifications about our future updates. Hey YouTube, this is MSLS PM with a new video about how to earn money before you actually get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So in this video actually I'm going to introduce a third party website in which you can earn money and which is 100% legal. I mean that you are not gonna get your channel deleted or something like that if you post this video, if you share this, or if you do this thing. So what it does is that it just gives you a link that you have to share, and when people click that link you earn money. That is some of the basic thing about this. Then the company offers that for 1,000 views you get $2. It depends on the country in which the link is viewed on. So let us look at the rates. The rates, as we can see, from these countries we will get the amount of money that we are earning from a view comes from these countries. That is what we can see in over here. You can see if you want to go for a particular country, you just pause the video and look at each and every places. That is what. And so let's see how this works. Just go to my account. This is my account and this is what I've earned, because I just created my account in this website, so I don't know how it happens really. I've got a total of 3 views and I've earned $0.0063. If you're calculating this, you can understand that I get about $2 for 1,000 views. How does it happen is that if you want to share something in your friend, or if you want to share a website, what you have to do is that you have to copy the link of the website and then paste that link over here. You have an option that your URL here, so you're pasting your URL here, then we click shorten and then we get the shortened URL over there. This is a shortened URL that I've gotten. Then we share this link in our YouTube description or to our friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media. And when they click that link, what actually happens is that they get redirected. I'm pasting my link over here, the link is pasted. So when they're clicking the link, this is what happens. It is redirected to a ad page. The page, the actual page where this goes, and the viewer is able to watch ads. Watch a couple of ads. As you can see, this is what happens when someone clicks that link. First, it is redirected to this page in which lots of ads is present, and there will be a small thing. Sorry for the lag because there is a network issue on my phone. This is what it happens. As you can see, there are lots of advertisements displayed. And below that it is written, please click below then solve the captcha box to proceed the destination page. So what you have to do is that click this I'm not a robot. Then if required, the Google will give you some suggestions to prove that we are not robot. If that's okay, if that's clear, then it comes in the down part, click here to continue. So you have got to click that. Then it is redirected to our original website. Yeah, it is coming. Your link is almost ready. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it is in get link. So when we are clicking this, actually we are going to the website that is required. As you can see, another advertisement came. All you have to do is to go back to the tab. So what I've shortened was that this original website www.shortfly.com was that URL that I've gave, and I'm redirected to the original website. This is what happens when we share a link. So the people are viewing ads in which we are getting paid. So that is the thing that happens with this thing, and it is 100% genuine. You can transfer the money. There is no issues with that. So this is all about how to make money with shortfly.com.